Okay, now let's work on Fall 2011 Math 227 Test 1, number 11. According to the latest research, the probability of getting a boy is 43%. The probability to have a boy is 43%. I strongly suggest you to convert this to decimal right away. Now, consider a family with 4 children. Now, in part A, find the probability that the older 2 children are girls and the younger 2 children are boys. That's basically asking, like, what is the probability that the children will have this configuration. The first one is girl, the second one is girl, the third one is a boy, the last one is also a boy. Right? Okay. Now, let's see. If the probability to get a boy is 43%, then what is the probability to get a girl? That will be 0.57. Right? Now, then let's see. Of course, the assumption is the genders of the children are independent from the previous one. So, the probability that the first one is a girl is 0.57. Then the probability that the second one is a girl, also 0.57. The probability that the third child is a boy is 0.43. And then the probability of the last one, the youngest child, is a boy, also 0.43. Okay, now from here you compute using your calculator to find the result. Okay, now part B, find the probability that the children consist of at least one girl. The probability that the number of girls is at least 1. Now I hope you remember that to do this problem we can actually use complement. The complement of at least one girl is that the number of girls is 0, right? Now this is the same to say the probability that the complement of the number of girls is 0 is equals to 1 minus the probability that the number of girls is 0. I hope you remember this. It actually comes from, if I need to remind you, that's the probability of the complement of an event equals to 1 minus the probability of an event. Now this is then, if the number of girls is 0, then how many boys we have? It's all boys, right? Now if we follow the idea that we have on the top there, then what is the probability? The first one is a boy, the second one is a boy, the third one is a boy, the fourth one also a boy. That will be 0.43 to the power of 4. Okay, now from here then you use your calculator again. Remember, when it comes to probability, and if you need to round it to 5 decimal places. Okay, that's for question number 11 from Fall 2011 Math 227 Test 1.